Hola, salseritos y salseritas. That's how they say hello to young salsa dancers in Puerto Rico. Hola, salseritos y salseritas. That's how you say hello in Spanish. My name is Mr. Edwin, Edwin Rivera, world salsa dancer. Welcome to the Secrets of the Heart.
Secrets, secrets, secrets of the heart. Secrets, secrets, secrets of the heart. I've got love and I've got joy. Oh, I've got joy. I've got peace and I've got happiness. Oh, I've got joy. Got to let my secrets out. Got to share them with the world. Got to whisper, got to shout. Oh, I've got joy. Secrets, tell the secrets, feel the energy. Secrets of the heart. Secrets, feel the heartbeat, sing the melody. Secrets of the heart. Secrets, tell your friends and tell your family. Secrets of the heart. Secrets, everybody, share your secrets. Secrets of the heart. Secrets of the heart.
When I say a go, that means, are you ready to listen? And when you say ame, that means, yes, I'm ready. Let's try it, okay? A go! Great, let's try it again. A go! Very good, very good. I see you. Did you know that you're somebody? I know you do. Did you know that we're all one big family? We're all connected. The whole world is one big family.
Got to be together. Me and you and me. Be there for each other. It's all about family. Got to be together. Me and you and me. Be there for each other. It's all about family.
Did you know that you are all young masters? Do you remember why? That's right. It's because you all have special gifts. Those gifts are the secrets of the heart. Can you join me in the Young Masters Pledge? Please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Make a peace sign with your right hand. Place it over your heart and repeat after me. I promise.
I promise
To use my gifts.
to use my gifts
Every day.
every day
In every way.
in every way.
For I am a young master.
For I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
You may be seated, young masters. Will you be part of my family, young masters? I'd like to be part of yours. My family comes from the small island of Puerto Rico. We are the descendants of Taino Indians and Spaniards, our friends from Spain. My mother and father moved from Puerto Rico to New York City, where both my brother and I were born and raised. And my family has grown to include my wife and my daughter. Today's secret of the heart is unity. Unity means joined together as one, like a family. Unity means together. It's so important for us as beautiful human beings to unite and be there for one another. Those who cannot hear use American Sign Language. They speak with their hands. This is how you say unity in sign language. Unity. Can you sign and say unity with me? Let's try. Unity. One more time. Unity. Muy bueno, muy bueno. And I'm so happy to meet all of you because do you know the one thing I know that brings everyone together in unity? Can you guess? Well, how about you? Can you guess? Yes, it's music and dance. It's salsa. And we are all going to dance salsa. But, hold on. What is salsa? Can you guess? No, it's not that thing you eat with chips or tacos. Wait, I think you guessed it right. It's a special type of music and dance. It's made up of different types of rhythms and dances. You see, its origins date back to Africa. Traveled all the way to Cuba, then tiny Puerto Rico, into New York City in the United States of America, and then spread out throughout the world. You can dance with a partner or on your own by listening to salsa music. Yes, my friends, it's true. Salsa has united the world in ways you can't even imagine. People listen and dance to salsa music all over the world, even people who don't speak the same language. How do those people communicate? They listen to the salsa beat. Okay, everyone, I'm excited. Stand up. Let's find the beat together. Once we find the beat, we are now united and sync. We are one. Now, let's listen and find the numbers in the music. And the first number we're going to find is the number 1. Finding the numbers helps us find the beat. Okay? So here we go. Let's count to 8 first. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, in salsa, we don't count to 4 and we don't count to 8. It's silent. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's it. You all know how to find the salsa beat. Finding the beat not only helps you find the rhythm, it also helps you dance to the beat of the music. Now, you're all ready to dance. Okay, now, follow me, feet together. I'm gonna turn, but that doesn't mean you have to turn. I'm just turning so that we can have the same feet going on at the same time, okay? So here we go. On the number 1, we're gonna step with our right foot. We're gonna go 1. Very good. On the number 2, we're gonna step forward with the left foot. 2. Awesome. And on the number 3, we're gonna go up and down with our right foot. Up and down, 3. Let's put it together. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Right, left, right. And I'm gonna say 5, 6, 7. And when I say 5, 6, 7, that means we are ready to start. 5, 6, 7, go! 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now we're going to go back with the left 5. We're going to go back with the right 6. And we're going to go up and down 7 with the left. 7. That is your salsa basic, everybody. Let's put it all together, and then we're going to try it with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Right 1, 2, 3. Left back. 5, 6, 7. One more time, all together. Go! 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Beautiful, everybody. Now we are ready to start with music. But before we do music, ladies, I need you to have, my young ladies, I need you to have nice salsa hands. And my young gentlemen, I need you to have salsa hands up here. Okay? So pretty hands, okay hands, right here. For the young salsa ladies and for the young gentlemen, nice race car hands. Okay? That's your salsa basic step. Let's practice those steps to salsa music. Unity through salsa. Okay, everyone, let's find the beat together. Once we find the beat, we are one with the music. Then we can dance. Now, let's listen and find the number 1 in the music. Here we go. Here we go, everybody. And 1. 1. That's it. Now all the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's dance together. Here we go. 5, 6, basic, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful job, everybody. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You got it. That's your salsa basic. That's it. Congrats, everybody. You are all qualified salsa dancers. Please make sure to practice with your friends and family. If they don't know how to dance salsa, well, guess what? You can teach them. I hope you enjoyed today's special episode of Unity Through Salsa. Let's end with the Young Master's Pledge. Make a peace sign with your right hand and put it over your heart and repeat after me. I promise.
I promise
To use my gifts.
to use my gifts
Every day.
every day
In every way.
in every way.
For I am a young master.
For I am a young master.
Peace.
Peace.
I sure loved spending time with you. Today's affirmation is, I believe in unity through music and dance. Can you say it? I believe in unity through music and dance. Muy bueno, young masters, muy bueno. See you next time. Until then, keep on dancing. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
All right, everybody. First I sing, then you sing.